All right, guys, we've got a 2013 Camaro that the left turn signal will not cancel. So let me show you what I mean by that. Start it up. First, we'll turn the right turn signal on. I turn the wheel. When I come back, you can see that it cancels, it shuts off. If I turn the left on, turn the wheel, come back, will not shut off. There's the right, it shuts off. So we're going to replace the multifunction switch over here for the turn signal. And to do that, we'll go through the steps. All right, so before we get started, let me show you how this actually works. Get this out of here. Got us a new, what they call a multifunction switch. It's the turn signal lever, control arm, whatever you want to call it. Whenever you turn your turn signal on, so let's say you go to the left, you turn your steering wheel. When you're coming back, it trips this little lever and trips the arm back to neutral. So you go right, and something inside the original one in there is messed up to where it only works, it will only cancel whenever you're doing a right-hand turn. Left-hand turn, nothing. So you got to remember to click it off. Anyway, basically all you got one connector and these two little tabs right here that hold it in. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a pretty simple ordeal. I'm going to try to get the camera set up to where you can see this really good, and we will see what we can do to get this out of here as quick as possible. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is tilt your wheel all the way down and telescope it out. And I don't know if you can see this seam. So it looks like we've got a bottom left hand, and then we got the top. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to just pull this bottom left hand down and snap the top up and pull this control arm out of here. You do have some screws. Looks like about maybe 7mm. And I'm just going to use my trim tool here and see if we can snap this apart. All right, so that should be all we need. There's the connector. There's the tabs. Now, that didn't take much at all. So, let's see, where can I put the camera? All right. There's the top. There's the bottom. There's the connector. Here's the new one. Look, I'm snapping the little tabs in. They didn't really spring into place like I wanted them to. There we go. All right. It's just a matter of putting the 2 screws in. Before I do that, let's see if it's going to work. Okay, I just put the steering wheel up. Okay, left-hand turn signal, and it canceled. Make sure the menu button works. Make sure that the little selector knob here works. Make sure the high beams work. And that's it. Other than putting these 2 screws in, we're done. That's probably a 5 or 10 minute job. Anyway, this is a 5th gen 2013 Camaro, where the turn signal would not cancel. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care.